Hi, and welcome to Cooking with Young. In this episode, we will be making creamy house stew. For this, you will need a cutting board, a knife, carrot, mushrooms, potato, and onion. Hi, I would like to apologize in advance because the video will pick up in speed. I could change it. I also forgot about the meat. You can use any meat, but I sliced some beef into cubes and marinated it with Stubborn Chef ginger dressing. I did this on a separate day, so I didn't film it. My bad. Now, back to the video. First, you wash and peel the carrot and give the skin to Momo. This step is very important. Cut off the ends and slice it into cubes. Now separate the mushroom heads from the stems and cut into large pieces. Wash and peel potatoes before cutting into cubes. Cut the ends off the onion and slice it in half. And you peel the skin. You can cut the onion in either slices or squares, whichever you prefer. Bring the pan to medium heat and add oil. Spread the oil around by moving around, making sure that it spreads on the walls of the pan as well. You can also use a spatula to help. Drop in the meat and move it around and flip it as well, making sure to sear all the sides. It doesn't need to be fully cooked since it will cook further later. Once finished, set it aside. Next, bring the pan to medium-high heat before putting in the onions. Sauté until it starts to brown by moving around and flipping it. Drop the carrot and potato and stir fry for about a minute. Same idea as the onion, just keep moving around and flipping it. Now you can put the meat back in and mix it with the vegetables. Add 250 to 300 milliliters of water, then move the pan to spread evenly. And turn the heat to high until it starts to boil. Once it does, turn the heat down to low for 15 minutes. Take 2 squares of stew mix and break them into small pieces. Add them to the pan and mix until the consistency becomes thicker. Now you can add mushrooms and stir it in. Keep the heat for 5 minutes. Stir in 100 milliliters of milk and cook for another 5 minutes. And it should look like this. If you have rice, add it to the pan and you can mix it right in. And if you followed everything correctly, you'll end up with this terribly looking but wonderfully tasting house stew with rice. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.